Welcome back, beautiful souls, to another episode of Higher Vibration, your go to space for spiritual growth, healing, and transformation. I'm your host Radhe, and today we're diving into something incredibly powerful, the law of assumption. If you've ever heard of manifestation, the law of attraction, or techniques like visualization, then the law of assumption will feel familiar yet profoundly different. It's an approach that can bring the way you see reality and, more importantly, how you create your own reality. The law of assumption is based on a very simple yet incredibly powerful principle. What you assume to be true becomes your reality. It's not about wishful thinking or hoping for something to happen. This is about truly believing that assuming something as if it's already yours. Today, we'll explore what the law of assumption is, how it works, and how you can use it to manifest the life you desire. If you're ready to shift your mindset, let go of all limiting beliefs, and take control of your destiny, stay tuned. Is how it works and how you can use it to manifest the life you desire. If you're ready to shift your mindset, let go of all limiting beliefs, and take control of your destiny, stay tuned. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is law of assumption? In its simplest form, the law of assumption states that whether you assume to be true, whatever it's about yourself or others or the world will eventually manifest in your reality. It was popularized by Neville Goddard, a spiritual teacher and author who explained that our reality is shaped by our deepest assumption. But here's where it gets interesting. According to the law, your assumption override everything else. Your past experience, your current circumstance, or external limitations doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is what you assume to be right and true right now. Think about it this way. Your mind is the ultimate creator of your experience. If you believe that you're capable of achieving something, your mind will start aligning circumstances, opportunities, and people to help you achieve it. On the flip side, if you assume that you'll always struggle or that you're not worthy of success, that's exactly what you'll continue to experience. Practice takeaway. Your assumptions act as the blueprint of your reality. Whether positive or negative, these assumptions guide how you perceive the world and the results you get. The good news is you have the power to rewrite those assumptions. How the law of assumption works. Now that we understand the law of assumption is, let's talk about how it works. The law of assumption works on a deeper psychological and energetic level. Everything in your external reality is a reflection of your internal state, your thoughts, beliefs, and assumptions. So when you assume something, your subconscious mind takes that assumption and begins working to bring it to the fruition. Here's a crucial point. Your subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's imagined. If you assume with conviction, your subconscious starts aligning with that belief. It begins to adjust your actions, perceptions, and energy to match the assumption. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you're looking for a new job. If you assume I'm going to land the perfect job, your subconscious mind starts working towards the reality. You'll notice yourself feeling more confident during the interview, you'll be drawn to right opportunities, and you'll exude a sense of readiness that employers pick up on. But if your assumption is I'll never get a great job, your subconscious will manifest with that belief. You may procrastinate on applying or feel nervous during interviews, unknowingly sabotaging your efforts. Or find yourself in the position where there's a long way of not getting a job at all, even though applying thousands of times. Neville Goddard taught that imagination plays a key role in the process. Our brain doesn't know what's real and what's not. He said, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This means you must not only think about the outcome you desire, but also feel what it's like to already have it. Feeling it makes it real to your subconscious mind. Practice takeaway. Start by identifying an area of your life where you want to see the change. Ask yourself, what assumption have I been holding on to? Are they empowering or limiting? Then shift your assumption to align what you truly desire and start living as though it's already true. The power of assumed belief. Now let's go a little deeper into the power of belief and how it ties to law of assumption. Belief is a catalyst of manifestation. When you assume something, you're essentially planting a seed in your subconscious. But here's the important part. You need to believe in your assumption with unwavering conviction. If you plant a seed but constantly dig it up to check if it's growing or not, it won't have the chance to take root. Similarly, if you assume something but are filled with doubts, your assumptions won't have the chance to manifest fully. Think of your mind as a garden and your assumption as seeds. If you nurture those seeds with positive, empowered beliefs, they will flourish. But if you neglect them with doubts and fears, they wither. A powerful practice of strength. Your belief is affirmation. Repeating affirmation that I align with the desired assumption helps reinforce that belief in your subconscious. For example, if you're trying to manifest better health, you could repeat the affirmation, I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. Over time, your subconscious will accept the assumption as truth and begin aligning your reality with it. Start a daily practice of affirmations based on your desired assumption. Repeat them with your conviction. Visualize the outcome and, most importantly, feel what it's like to already have it. Over time, your subconscious will accept its reality. Now, one of the major difference between law of assumption and law of attraction is, in law of attraction, you have to continuously put yourself in the vibration of, if I am happy, if I'm in the highest vibration, only then I will align myself to the outcome or the wish that I really want to. But the law of assumption simply talks about you already have it. This firm belief will help you get into the vibration that you all along are supposed to be, and will help you manifest the outcome much faster and much easily without forcing yourself to continuously realize that the concept of law of attraction will only work when you continuously do this. The whole idea is to make it a natural practice, which is why the law of assumption is also one of the most easiest manifesting practice to ever exist. Let's look at some real life examples from our workshop of how the law of assumption works in practice. There are countless stories of people who have transformed their beliefs by changing their assumption. One of the powerful examples comes from a woman who had struggled with financial insecurity for most of her life. She realized that her core assumption was, I'll never have enough money. No matter how hard she worked, the assumption kept manifesting as financial struggle. Once she became aware of this, she shifted her assumption to, I always have more than enough. I always have more than enough. She began to feel abundant even before her financial situation improved. Within months, new opportunities began flowing her way: promotions, unexpected gifts, and business ventures. Another story comes from an athlete who assumed he would always come in second place despite his hard work. The assumption was deeply ingrained in him, and it affected his confidence in competitions. After learning about the law of assumption, he shifted his mindset to, I am a winner, and embodied the feeling of victory even before competing. As a result, he not only won the competition but also felt a deep sense of self-assurance that carried him through each challenge. I want all of you to listen to BK Shivani ji, where she talks about how our thought has the power to change our reality. How one positive thought or one positive affirmation, or just assuming that I am a beautiful soul, I am a beautiful being, things happen for me, will manifest the reality that you want to experience in your life. The key here is consistency. It's not enough to assume something once and forget about it. You must constantly reinforce your new assumption until they become your default method of thinking. How to use law of assumption to manifest your desire. Now that you've understand the principle behind the law of assumption, here's how you can start using to manifest your desire into your reality. Identify your limiting belief. Reflect on the area of your life where you're not seeing the result you want. Ask yourself, what assumption have I been holding that are limiting me? Write them down and acknowledge them. Rewrite your assumption. Once you've identified your limiting belief, rewrite them into positive, empowered assumptions. For example, if you've been assuming I am not good enough, rewrite that I am worthy of all the success I desire. I am worthy of all the success that I desire. I am worthy of all the success that I desire. Feel it, don't just think it. The law of assumption works when you feel the outcome as if it has already happened. Immerse yourself in the experience of having what you desire. How does it feel? How does it change your life? Affirm and visualize daily. Repetition is the key. Use affirmations, visualizations to reinforce your new subconscious. Make it a part of your daily routine, whether it's in the morning, during meditation, or before bed. Or even when the thought of you not being worthy enough crosses your mind, just affirm that the belief of you being worthy of the success that you desire is much stronger and is your core belief. Trust the process. Let go of doubt and trust in the power of your assumption. The universe will align with your new belief, but it requires patience and faith. Remember, you're planting seeds, and those seeds need time to grow. By applying the law of assumption with dedication and belief, you can shift your reality and create the life you truly desire. As we wrap up today's episode, remember that the law of assumption is not about wishful thinking. It's about embodying the reality you desire before it physically manifests. When you change your internal assumption, your external world will naturally flow. Whether you're trying to manifest a better belief, a relationship, physical abundance, financial abundance, pride, or a more fulfilling career, it all starts with what you assume to be true. Take control of those assumptions and watch your life transform. Thank you for joining me today. If you found value in this podcast, please subscribe, leave a review, and share this with someone who could benefit from it. And remember, the power to create your reality lies within your assumptions. So start assuming greatness today. Next week, we'll be exploring the topic, the power of belief, how to reprogram your subconscious for success. You won't want to miss it. Until then, keep assuming, believing, and creating your better life. Radhe Radhe.